I wasn't really for sure how to do this, but I did a comparison between the two. Already you can see the huge difference. 64 versus 256. No. 3, 2, 1. Oh. Well, that's changed. Because at first the iPhone would come right in the box like this. But here's the big reveal. Here's my phone. Alright, so noticeable differences. Home button seems to be like about the same size. I know this one's tactile. Oops. The speaker up top appears to be a little bit wider, and the camera appears to be a bit farther to the left. There's my new earbuds, AirPods. And then I also got this for free because this took 3 weeks. Come here. Come here. Hello, baby. Using this for 3.5 years. Original. This is the original 6 Plus. No S in the back. Original 6 Plus, 8 megapixel camera. So this is the only iPhone Plus model that did not record 4K. It was the first ever iPhone to have optical image stabilization on this camera here, which is part of the reason why I bought it. Definitely much more noticeable, how the thickness of it. I actually did a little research and digging, found out that my phone is actually the thinnest iPhone ever made. Because all the other Plus models have the press, touch, tap, whatever it's called. This phone actually is one of the largest battery lives ever made. Yes, it's heavy. Noticeably, and much more noticeable and heavier. 7000 series aluminum, ergo making it bend easily. That's why I got my old phone replaced. It's because mine didn't indeed have a kink in it. Unpeel the glass back. Feel a staticness. Oh, and it's sticking there. Not a single scratch on it. A wonderful sight to see. Look at how beautiful this phone is. Do I get red Apple stickers? They shouldn't be a product red GoPro. How cool would that be? Product red. In partnership with Red, Apple will contribute a portion of your iPhone purchase to the Global Fund to support HIV/AIDS programs and help deliver an AIDS-free generation. Learn more to donate at www.red.org. I said www.com. We're going to quickly put the screen protector on before I touch the screen. Alright, we're going to keep this thing. I don't know what this thing is. This is a sticker 2 dudes. Anywho, thanks for joining me. Bye.